ọlọ́pàá tó ń lé fùrù kọ́kọ́ lánàá tó ní pé òun ò pa anybody tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n mú fóònù jáde tí wọ́n rìkọ́ọ̀dù òun níbi tóun ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ní checking point ó ní tẹ́nibọ̀dì bá dàn wò tó súnmọ́ bí tóun wà pẹ́rẹ́ pé òun yìnbọn òun pa gbogbo wọn dànù ni. ó ní kódà kí wọ́n pógún kí wọ́n pé gba nínú mọ́tò yẹn pé òun ò rí dájú pé gbogbo àwọn tí ń bẹnu mọ́tò yẹn pátápátá lòun ó padànù nípa àfọ́náfọ́nsú ọwọ́ pálábá rẹ̀ ti ṣẹ́gi o. bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwọn ọlọ́pàá tìpínlẹ̀ Anambra wọ́n ti fi ṣẹ́kẹ́ṣẹkẹ̀ sí i lọ́wọ́ kódà lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ bí mo ṣe ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó ti wà ní gbàgà ń jẹ́jọ́ lọ́wọ́ ó ti fẹnu wa rọ́ọ̀fù kọ́lọ̀ má jẹ́ ká fẹnu wa rọ́ọ̀fù. tẹ́ ò bá gbàgbé ẹ rí i pé ẹni tó jẹ́ Inspector General of Police ọ̀gá àwọn pátápátá alàgbà Ridwan Disu wọ́n ti pa láṣẹ pé gbogbo ọlọ́pàá pátápátá tó bá ṣiṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ lórí duty báyìí pàápàá jùlọ ní checking point pé kí ogbon ó rí dájú pé wọ́n wọ uniform wọn kí name tag wọn kó sì hàn gbangba nígbà àyà wọn. torí pé kí ni wọ́n ti fáwọn aráàlú lágbára àti àṣẹ láti máa rìkọ́ọ̀dù ọlọ́pàá lójú ọ̀nà. gbogbo ọlọ́pàá tẹ́ bá ti rí tí ń ṣiṣẹ́ in public for transparency purpose láti rí dájú pé iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n ń ṣe ó kójú òṣùwọ̀n tó tíṣẹ́ yẹn ò ní kọ́ nínú. ìdí gan rèé tí wọ́n fi pa láṣẹ fáwọn èèyàn pé everybody free láti máa rìkọ́ọ̀dù ọlọ́pàá tó bá wà on duty. Constitutional right each and every Nigerians ní láti máa rìkọ́ọ̀dù ọlọ́pàá ilé wa jáde lánàá òde yìí ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń jam talk pé òun pa àwọn èèyàn ní òun yanjú wọn ní òun ṣègbà ní òun ṣàwo òun ṣèkòkò bàbá àsásùn ẹ̀yìn èèyàn fáǹfààní ẹ̀yìn tẹ̀ ò tí ì gbọ́ fọ́nrán yẹn lélẹ́yìí.
As an officer, I dey with my rifle, I dey work. Make somebody video me. Make that oga when he give una order say una dey video us. He go do your burial for you. He go bury you. Now he go bury you. The numbers of how many una be una go kick away. Now he go bury una. Allah. They burn anybody where video me when I'm on duty. Performing my lawful duty in Nigerian government, Nigerian police for 26 years, they will suffer. They suffer every time, every day suffer. Uniform, and not fit buy nothing, not fit do for, not fit give us, not fit do anything. Not fit no accountability for us, for any life. Who die to if not be this one, the IG when just come new now. Begin they try to amend things. They help people. Look at people when their papa don't die since how many years. Who they this IG enter now? He begin give them their insurance, give them their benefit. Just the walk, monkey the walk, babu the chop. All my body na bullet shot, gunshot, na full on. See they suffer. They look body. Look at my body. You think I was born like this? This is a gunshot. They burn anybody well. Just carry your camera. Watch me well, oh. Carry your camera. Come around anywhere there. Come mistake video. Even though I'll clear everybody down. The whole full boss. Anywhere, except the person not stand near you when they do, I'll clear everybody down. I swear to God, if I not do, I may die. They burn anybody, Papa. Well, come and video me. That guy when he tell you that police officer give you order to the video policeman on duty. Oh yeah. Now chop on nyash. Now see wahala. Now see problem. Now not fit go learn work. Now not fit do anything. Now police but do not get power. Why not go the video soldier? Where did they work? The DSS and all. Police will carry wahala for head. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Nigerians. Ogarisi, good morning. You are from Delta and from Edo State. So I've been pushing a video since update from time. It doesn't go viral. But the one I make yesterday now, it don't dey push. Because when I don't hear say I say no, I doesn't mean it like that. I only annoyed for people. Actually, you can video us, you can video a policeman. But it's not now that anybody can just come from anywhere. Started videoing somebody is on duty. Even some policemen sitting on their own, they will go there and be videoing there. They have taken it beyond that for us. If we even make the policemen not to work active, because we are supposed to work active, go they fear, say, may they not video, may they not do this, anything can happen. I'm a full Nigerian. I'm a full born of Nigeria. My father is a soldier. I grew up in the barrack, Kaduna barrack. I was born in Kaduna. There's never a time. Anybody that knows me should talk to. They will tell you my duty, my police duty. I've served in this country. I doesn't mean it like that. But just because of annoyance, but because of some other people have started making trending video about policemen and all. You should not do us like that because we don't have a capable time to work as activities, men. I'm not just talking. I talk with annoyance. And if I talk, the thing pain the vessel like that, Mona forgive me. Mona forgive me because all of us are brother. No matter anything when they happen, all of us are one love. Now I don't come for this one, I don't they go. Not be so. How go they kill my people? How many are there? We don't do that. Everybody should. Anywhere they ask of me, people will tell you testify the glory of me. I not be person. Will not be person when they go forward when they begin go back. No. If we stand by unity, say I don't work mobile for 12 years. I work. I serve my fatherland. I know say yes. Now my heart I take the servant. I know the servant they find money. People who know me go testify about me. Harrison, forgive me. I beg the whole Nigeria. Mona, forgive me. That statement are just annoyance of things when they happen. Now things when they happen. They happen with the pain person. Normal human being when he lie down, he go pain him. He go pain him. He go pain him. Who don't suffer well, not be saying that today. Now annoyance, see my body. A bullet be all this one. All this are gunshot injury. I don't want to show my lap. See my body. All these are gunshot injury. See them. Look my body. All these are gunshot. We don't suffer well for the work. So now annoyance. See my body. Look at my chest. Look at my chest. Bullet don't chop and see my hand. See my hand here. Just take a break. I will show you my body. There's never a shame there. We don't suffer. We don't want to complain. I even have a surgery that I'm supposed to do. These are gunshots. These are gunshot injury. These are gunshot injury here. This is a gunshot injury. I don't collect bullet. We don't do 17. We don't do 17. Now let me survive them. I'll be 2 of us. Now survive them. Now survive the operation. So not be say at the talk with now vaccination because of the way other people don't make they take correction. Not be say you go just see policeman begin video ram. Mona forgive me. Yeah? If I offend you now as brother, Mona forgive me. Me and from Edo State, we not they do that kind of life. We not feel that kind of life. And we decided to say we go die for our fatherland. We still over up all the killing of the policemen and other things. We still they struggle to make sure say things come normal because one day things must surely come normal by the grace of God. If you not hard, you know the peace, no, the even husband and wife when married, they not quarrel, they know they get peace. Yeah? Mona forgive me, I beg. If I offend you now, that one a verbal talk. That one a verbal talk. That one a verbal talk. So these are our new IG way come now. We know say things go there normal by the grace of God. Things go there and small. What you don't spoil, they hard to repair. Mona forgive me, I beg. Mona forget. If you reach, you don't reach like this now, don't they trade, don't they move. But all the one when I post, Mona post them, Mona tag them out. Push them out, but the one when I don't do before, all those videos when I don't do, they praise God, they do everything. Push them out, make they see life. Not before wicked team, they would see life. Me, I don't want to talk too go far. May not be like say maybe at the boss or anything. But make life there for us, all of us, by the grace of God. We go see the end. Things go good for all of us. Obviously, you my brother, this one I don't reach. You don't detest here, but you see the push. Now so they do them. You know you go know me one-on-one. If you want to know me, go through me, you call, invite me, you know me one-on-one. Me, I will not the wrong, not the surrender. No retreat, no surrender. Now the job won't enter be that. Now the grace of God will take the leave. Mona forget, I beg. Mona forgive me. One love. One love to the world.
ṣẹ́yìn náà gbọ́ lẹ́nu ẹ̀ báyẹn ẹ̀yìn èyẹ wa bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ó padà jáde tó wá kọ́rọ̀ ẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé out of annoyance lòun fi sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ yẹn lẹ́yìn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n sọ categorically wípé monkey dey walk baboon dey chop ni pẹ̀lú gan ni wọ́n ń fa àwọn ọlọ́pàá pẹ̀lú náà ń fa wọn pé ṣé kò mọ iye ọta tó ti wọlé sínú àgọ́ ara òun ni káwọn kan wà máa rìkọ́ọ̀dù òun níbi tóun bá ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ pé níbo tó bá dàn wò pé òun ò yanjú gbogbo wọn dànù ni ọwọ́ pálábà rẹ̀ ti ṣẹ́gi o bẹ́ẹ̀ ni lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí ń bẹ látìmọ́lé wọ́n ní ASP Newton Isokwehi lórúkọ ẹ̀ ìyún alàgbà yẹn ọwọ́ pálábà rẹ̀ ti ṣẹ́gi báyìí o kọ́lọ́ má jẹ́ ká fẹnu kọ́ o lágbẹ́ Ọlọ́run bá Èdùmàrè gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò mí ẹ̀ ní fẹnu kọ́ o èmi náà ò ní fẹnu kọ́ ẹ bá ń ṣàmì àdúrà kẹsì bá ń gbé tọ àdúrà mi mo kàn ní sáré mú update wá fún yín ni gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìlérí ta ṣe fún yín pé àníjẹ́ kojú yín fọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà làsìn yíyé kí yín di sí gbogbo àwọn ṣẹlẹ̀ tí bá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ káàkiri ilẹ̀ wa pàápàá jùlọ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tiwa ń bì ẹ ṣeun tẹ́ ń gbọ́ wa ẹ kú kalẹ̀.
agbe ní gbére pàdé olókun àdùkò ní gbére pàdé ọlọ́ṣà òdìdẹrẹ́ ní gbére pàdé wọn lóde ìwò fún ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tí nǹkan rẹ̀ ò ṣe déédéé ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tí ṣàyàwó rẹ̀ ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mọ gbọ́ jìgìjìgì lára lójú lọ mú kára rẹ̀ ó tó le ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tó ń retí ọmọ bíbí ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tó fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan tó dáa láyé pẹ̀lú aya rẹ̀ tí ìfàyàlòyà tí ó fi di nǹkan tó dáa ìwọ tásítọ̀ rẹ̀ ń sàn tí ò kí tó láti dọmọ ìwọ ọkùnrin tára rẹ̀ ò le ìwọ ọkùnrin ṣẹ̀ẹ̀kan dìde ìwọ ọkùnrin tátàn rẹ̀ ò dúró déédéé ìwọ ọkùnrin tó ń retí ọmọ ìwọ ọkùnrin tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣègbéyàwó ọgbọ́ capable herbal energy capsule ló nílò fún gbogbo àìṣedéédé ara rẹ̀ kó o lè jẹ́rìí sọmọ bíbí àti nǹkan tó dáa láti ṣe.